internet. That's why it looks like thick. But in person, my hair is so thin and yeah, thin. M&M, hello, how are you? Yeah, my hair is so thin, it's not that thick. M&M, hello, how are you? It's been a long time since you came and passed by into my live stream, and also as well as in my videos. I'm just holding, I'm just holding, spin my hair. Can I spin it so nicely because I'm just holding my phone. Let me try it again. Actually, I also miss spinning my hair. I miss doing my hair pit, also the hair down. It's been a long, yeah, it's been too long since I am done hair spin and hair down. Fit, please. What fit? What do you want to do with my feet? Amazing. Thank you, MM. Mom, please fit. What feet? Do you want to see my feet? Thank you so much, MM. Oh, it's big. But your hair is very smooth. Yeah, exactly. My hair is so smooth and straight. Which is this? One, two, three, four. Why? 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 What? Wow. Ding, may gustong makakita ng paa ko. Your hair is so beauty. Oh, thank you so much, Marion Perez. Please, side hair. Mas gusto nila pa ako. Oo nga, ding. Because I'm a fit lover, so please one time show your fit, please. Oh, really? I cannot hold it, it's too long. Ba yan? Paano ba? Is it like this? Rock study?